Many of you have a very sour taste in your mouth when it comes to banks and large financial institutions. Many of you, unfortunately, don't have a healthy perspective in the partnership opportunity available with banks. And many of you take for granted the management of your deposit accounts when you're going out and applying for credit with these institutions. If you can't manage your own money effectively, if you're dealing with overdraft fees on your account on a relatively consistent basis, and consistent can be just a few times a year in a bank's eyes, how in the hell are you going to manage somebody else's money? Seriously, how are you expecting a financial institution to turn around and lend you 4, 5, 6 figures, whatever that number is, and you're fumbling through your own cash flow every month? You gotta be kidding me. Like, seriously, you gotta be kidding me. But you're upset with the bank. Listen, if you're dealing with overdraft fees, if your account is cutting into the negative on a relatively consistent basis, not some fluke scenario that went down, once every blue moon, something crazy happened, but generally you keep healthy deposits and healthy cash flow. I'm talking about people who habitually overdraft their account, run into the negative, and have to hurry up and listen, you have no position to speak negatively about a bank and what they won't give you when you're not responsible with what you already have. If you're dealing with overdrafts on a regular basis, do yourself a favor and fix your cash flow. When you show that you can be responsible with your own money, I can assure you that a financial institution will pick up on it and gladly start to lend you theirs. But until that point in time, you need to look in the mirror and focus on your own behavioral habits and your own financial habits before you start to talk about what's not fair in the financial system or what banks are, how unfair banks and lenders are. Take responsibility with your own money, and banks will start to incrementally lend you their money. But as long as you're dealing with overdraft fees and the mismanagement of your deposit accounts, you're not doing anybody any favors, and a bank has better places to put their money than to trust it with somebody who can't take care of their own. I just want to bring this to those of you who needed to hear it, because the opportunities are abundant right now. And even though there's a credit tightening going on, it's only for those who are unfamiliar and have poor financial reputations. I assure you, if you're familiar to your financial institutions and lenders, and you have a strong financial reputation, i.e. your credit score and credit profile and internal bank ratings, I can assure you the banks are flooding these individuals with money, flooding them. So if you want in on that, I recommend you manage your own money properly, and the bank will follow through. I assure you. To all my pioneers, this is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity. Thank you. Welcome back. To all my new viewers, welcome in. Other than that, I want you guys to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.
This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity Network, a channel dedicated to helping you increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, the proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you customize your blueprint for prosperity.